Have you ever found yourself sitting alone, wondering how things went wrong? Maybe you're still in love with your ex, and the thought of moving on feels impossible. Maybe you're second-guessing your decisions, asking yourself, what if I could get them back? It's a question many of us ask after a breakup, and it's one that can leave you feeling confused, hurt, and uncertain about what to do next. But here's the truth. Getting your ex back is not an impossible task. It's a process that involves more than just sending a text or showing up at their door. If you're serious about rekindling the relationship, you need to understand the process, be patient, and put in the effort to rebuild trust, communication, and emotional connection. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your ex back. If you've been wondering how to fix things or how to even start the journey, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand why you broke up. Before you even think about trying to get back with your ex, the first step is understanding why the breakup happened in the first place. Breakups don't happen without a reason. There may have been issues that built up over time, communication problems, disagreements, lack of trust, or maybe you simply grew apart. Take time to reflect on the relationship. Was it a mutual decision, or did one of you make the choice? What went wrong? It's important to honestly evaluate your past relationship and figure out if the issues you faced are something you can work on together. If the problems were serious, like cheating or betrayal, these will take time to heal, and both parties must be willing to put in the effort. Don't skip this step. Understanding the cause of the breakup will help you avoid repeating the same mistakes in the future. Step 2. Give yourself some space. It might sound counterintuitive, but giving yourself space after a breakup is one of the best things you can do. While you might be tempted to reach out immediately, resist the urge. Both you and your ex need time to process the emotions of the breakup. During this time, focus on yourself. Take care of your mental and emotional health. Spend time with friends, pursue hobbies, and enjoy activities that make you feel good. You need to rebuild your sense of identity before jumping back into a relationship. Plus, giving your ex space shows respect for their feelings and gives them time to miss you. Use this time to reflect on your own actions and whether you are ready to make changes if needed. Personal growth is key when trying to get your ex back. Step 3. Improve yourself. Getting your ex back doesn't mean becoming a completely different person. However, it does involve self-improvement. Think about the things you could have done better during the relationship. Were you too clingy, distant, or inattentive? Maybe there were things about yourself that you wanted to change even before the breakup. This is your opportunity to work on those things. Start by taking care of your physical health, exercise, eat well, and rest. When you feel good physically, it boosts your confidence. But also work on your mental health. If you had habits that hurt your relationship, like being negative or argumentative, try to change those as well. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not, but becoming a better version of yourself. Your ex will notice the changes you've made, and it will show them that you are serious about being a better partner if you get another chance. Step 4. Establish no contact. This step is crucial in the process. It's known as the no contact rule, and it involves cutting all communication with your ex for a period of time. It may be difficult, especially if you're used to talking to them every day, but it's necessary for both of you to heal. During the no contact period, focus on yourself. Do not call, text, or check their social media. The goal is to break the cycle of emotional dependency. By cutting off contact, you give both yourself and your ex the space needed to clear your minds. It's also a way to show your ex that you can live without them, which can make them realize how much they miss you. The no contact rule can last anywhere from 30 days to several months, depending on the situation. The key is to give yourself enough time to heal before you even think about contacting your ex again. Step 5. Reach out, but do it carefully. After the no contact period, it's time to reach out to your ex. However, this step should be done carefully. Don't rush into it. Your first contact should be simple and non-threatening. It's not the time to bring up old issues or apologize for everything at once. Start by sending a short, friendly message. For example, you could say something like, "Hey, I hope you've been doing well. I've been thinking about you and wanted to check in." Keep the tone light and don't mention getting back together right away. The goal is to test the waters and see how your ex responds. Be prepared for a variety of reactions. Your ex might be happy to hear from you, or they might be distant. Give them time to process your message and don't pressure them for a response. Step 6. Rebuild the friendship first. The best way to get your ex back is to rebuild a foundation of friendship first. Focus on reconnecting as friends before thinking about rekindling the romance. Ask how they've been, share what's going on in your life, and rebuild that emotional connection. It's important to be patient during this stage. Don't rush into deep conversations about your relationship or try to force romantic feelings. Instead, focus on being a supportive friend. Show them that you've grown and changed, and that you're genuinely interested in their well-being. This step will help both of you gauge whether the relationship has a chance of working again. A strong friendship is the foundation of any successful relationship, so make sure that's in place before moving forward. Step 7. Have an honest conversation. Once you've reconnected as friends and rebuilt some trust, it's time to have an honest conversation about the past. This is where you both need to be open and vulnerable about what went wrong and what needs to change for the relationship to work again. Take responsibility for your part in the breakup. If you made mistakes, own them. Apologize sincerely if needed. Don't place blame on your ex, but instead focus on what you both can do differently moving forward. Listen to their side of the story too. Be open to hearing about their feelings and what they need from the relationship. This conversation can be difficult, but it's necessary to understand whether reconciliation is possible. Step 8. Rebuild trust slowly. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and it's likely that the trust between you and your ex was damaged during the breakup. Rebuilding trust takes time and patience. It's not something that can happen overnight. You both need to be honest and transparent with each other. If your ex is willing to give the relationship another chance, show them that you are committed to being reliable, honest, and trustworthy. Actions speak louder than words, so prove through your actions that you're ready to be a better partner. This process can be slow, but it's important to take it one step at a time. Trust isn't rebuilt by rushing things. It's rebuilt by consistently showing up for each other. Step 9. Make new memories together. Once you've worked through the tough conversations, it's time to start creating new, positive memories together. Go on fun dates, try new activities, and enjoy spending time with each other again. This is your chance to rebuild the excitement and joy that may have been missing in your previous relationship. Make sure to communicate openly and keep the relationship fun. Relationships aren't just about fixing what's broken, they're also about growing together and enjoying each other's company. Keep things light and enjoyable as you rebuild your connection. Step 10. Stay patient and positive. The process of getting your ex back won't happen overnight, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Stay patient and keep a positive mindset. If it's meant to be, things will work out in time. Remember that relationships require effort from both sides, and it's important to make sure both of you are invested in the process. If your ex isn't ready to get back together, don't push them. Respect their feelings and give them space. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is focus on your own personal growth and move forward, knowing that the future is full of new possibilities. Getting your ex back isn't about playing games or manipulating the situation. It's about understanding what went wrong, improving yourself, and being patient while rebuilding the connection that once existed. If both you and your ex are willing to work on things, it's possible to create a stronger, healthier relationship. Remember, This process takes time, so be patient and focus on personal growth. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips, advice, and support. You deserve a healthy, loving relationship, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for listening, and good luck on your journey.